Well, hello, guys. I just finished up with my exams and went on to a short trip with my favorite buddies. So, here's presenting to you all a mini vlog of my experience at Mahabaleshwar. Hello, everybody, and welcome to another vlog. So, we are visiting Mahabaleshwar today, and she's my friend. Say hi. We're in huts right now. As you can see, it's beautiful view outside. The good part is we are not here in times of fog, so there's a good visibility right now. So I'm taking you with me. So stay tuned. Hello guys, so we are at one point in Pachgani. It's very beautiful. Let me just show you. Pachgani table point, and it's very beautiful view, and the good thing is there is no rain, so we can explore many things. Just shift the camera. Hi Ninath.
Hey, hi, it's good to be here.
Yeah. How does it feel?
It's very nice.
Tell us about the view.
Vacation after a hectic week. This. Yeah.
Nice. So it's kind of a refreshing day for you. Mahabaleshwar in monsoon is such an enthralling experience in itself. The tourists are enthralled by its exotic greenery, beautiful gardens, and breathtaking sceneries. It is situated about 4,500 square feet above the sea level. We are at one point in Mahabaleshwar, so it's fog everywhere as you can see. Let's just have a look.
से कहे बरसेगा सावन.
So, at the end, we visited Mapro Gardens, located in the lush green laps of Mahabaleshwar. If you ever visit here, don't forget to try their strawberry cream and another amazing food. We ended our day by having fun at Funtown. Go-karting with my brother was super fun. So here I end my small vlog of my mini trip to Mahabaleshwar. Hope you enjoyed. Do hit a like button, share and subscribe.